Hello and welcome back to the Moss Rods channel. As you saw in the thumbnail and the title, I for some reason made the decision to start on yet another build, even though I clearly don't have enough already going on, but why not throw another one into the mix? And this is exactly what happens when there are quite a few interesting build-offs going on at the same time, and you kind of want to compete in all of them. So again, this one's for the USAC build-off. This is my lowrider Camaro that I'm working on. The 29 is actually not for a build-off. This is just a purely for fun build. But this Oldsmobile is going to be for a group build-off / contest. But I don't want to give that up right away because that'll completely spoil the idea for this build right away, since it is a themed build-off. Now, I guess I will start kind of talking you through the whole idea for this build to kind of give you an idea on where I'm going. And basically the recipe for this is just going to be the old Moss Rods home special. We're just going to slam this thing and probably rust it up. So we're going to do a little mock-up. We're going to take the tire that's got an ugly blemish, put it in the back, throw the body over it, and it's going to be sitting on the floor. What's going on here? Now, I'll have you know, I rehearsed this off camera. Whoops. Yeah, good enough. I'll throw the hood on there just for fun. So yeah, this is going to be the ideal stance. And I think this would be pretty cool. But it is a bit boring. So I have an idea. I'm going to take this, say goodbye to that, drop the hood on the floor, and take the chassis, which is being stuck on with some tape that I forgot I had on here. Whoa, that was a fun noise. And we're just gonna keep that. Don't need this. And yeah, take these, mock it up there again. We're probably gonna need to cut out that rear fender just to get this thing sitting nice and low. But yeah, okay, this is starting to look like something. Or, well, maybe the absence of something. So, what are we gonna do if we're not gonna have the coupe body? Well, how about we make it a sedan delivery? So this is a Jimmy Flintstone Oldsmobile sedan delivery body. This is, of course, cast resin. If you've never heard of Jimmy Flintstone, he's been doing it for maybe 35-ish years, like quite a while. And he's kind of like the big name of cast resin bodies in the hobby. And I have a few of his bodies, but I've never actually used one. So I'm hoping to actually use one on this build, and this is the body that I'm going with. This is, of course, a sedan delivery. Now, I will talk you through this a little bit. So this is, of course, well, maybe not of course, but been already cleaned. So when you get these resin bodies, they have all the flash covering up the windows, covering up the engine bay, lots around the wheel wells and the rockers. So you do have to it took me about an hour of careful cleanup to get the body to where it is now. So with that being said, while I was doing the cleaning process, I noticed something that I completely neglected to realize when I was looking at the listing, which almost kind of took all my motivation out of this build. And that is the fact that this body has a radiused rear fender to make it into a gasser. Now, gassers are cool. The sedan delivery gasser is cool. I'll throw a photo here of a little mock-up I did. And it would be cool, but it's not the plan I have for this. So now I got to figure out what I'm going to do about that fender. Because I don't want a clearanced fender on this car. So there's going to be two ways I'm thinking of going about this. The most labor-intensive way would, of course, being a full fender transplant from the stock body. So going around, cutting out the fender on both the bodies and switching it. Now, that sounds like a lot of work. So the other thing I had in mind is taking the fender skirt off the kit and filling in everything above the fender skirt with styrene. Now that also sounds like a lot of work, but theoretically probably easier. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to see how hard it is to cut out the fender on the donor body. And if that's not going well, then I will do my best at trying to fill in this fender and reproduce the stock wheel opening using the fender skirt as a template. And I probably will run the skirts on this body. I will show you a kind of quick and dirty Photoshop that I did of the stock fender, transplant, and then just trying to show you what it would look like with the fender skirt on. So that's the plan. And I'm going to be trying to figure out how to do that, and then we can really get going on this. Next time you see this build, it'll hopefully have different fenders on it. Alright, so I got the fenders cut off the coupe, and they came off pretty easily. Did leave a little bit of material on there just so I can try to shape them onto the sedan a little bit better. But yeah, looks kind of funky now. Reminds me of there was a, was it like a 51 Chevy gasser that ran like massive rear fenders like that? You kind of set up, I don't know. I don't know where I'm going with that. But yeah, so got the fenders cut off there, and now we're going to try and cut the fenders off the sedan body, which is going to be a bit more difficult because this is resin and not plastic, so I'm not entirely sure how well that'll go. And for anyone wondering, I was just using a hobby blade, just slowly carving along it. I use the trunk panel or trunk line here as like a way of getting the back cut, and then I just kind of kept the blade parallel with the body around there. And I cut it at a little bit of an angle, so you'll see on one of these there's a bit of a bevel there, so hopefully that'll make it a little bit easier to attach it to the sedan body. So that's what we're going to try next, so fingers crossed. So that was one of the more nerve-wracking things I've had to do in this hobby. I really did not want to mess up this resin body, so cutting it was a little bit dicey. What I ended up doing was using a jeweler's saw. So these have really thin saw blades, and I was able to cut most of the fender, but did have to still use a knife kind of around this area, and that took a while because resin is softer than plastic, but I don't know, maybe the blade was just getting dull, but I was struggling when it came to cutting around here on the sedan body. But yeah, so I got those fenders off, and I've just started preliminary work on getting the stock fenders to fit the resin body, and there's a little bit of a gap, but still have some work to do. But I'm getting it close, and just wanted to show you all that I was able to get it pretty good. So next step will be just doing all the body work to sand and eventually fill in that area to get this as smooth as possible. And yeah, so I think that's where we're going to call it for this first video. Now that we have the stock body, and may as well do a quick little mock-up. But yeah, that looks much better than the radiused wheel well. So I still will probably throw fender skirt on. We'll see how that looks. But yeah, So thank you so much for watching this first video, and stick around and maybe you'll see where we're going with this in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.